once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Pagkatapos nating mag-unwind sa mga beaches here in Wellington, for the short vlog, dadalhin ko kayo sa isang secluded spot dito sa Wellington. I am your Nomadic Juan, and let's biyahe with me in New Zealand. This is episode 6, tara sa Brooklyn Wind Turbine.
Nomadic.
Kamusta everyone? Welcome back to another vlog, and this is episode 6 of Biyahe with me and Wellington. And today's video, nandito tayo sa may Wellington Wind Turbine. So tingnan natin, it's my first time na pumunta dito. First time din namin. Ila Bernadette and Jazz. Hi guys! So yun, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa may Wellington Wind Turbine. The Brooklyn Wind Turbine was New Zealand's first viable commercial wind turbine located in Wellington. The Electricity Corporation of New Zealand installed the original Brooklyn Wind Turbine in March 1993. It was part of a research project to find out how wind turbines perform in New Zealand conditions. The Brooklyn site was chosen because of Wellington's strong winds. Its operation has provided valuable information in assessing the benefits of wind power generation in New Zealand. The turbine is a popular Wellington landmark, attracting thousands of visitors every year. So ayun mga Juan, pagpunta nyo dito sa taas, makikita nyo yung panoramic view ng Wellington and then Hot Valley at saka yung South Coast. So it was the largest wind scale electricity generator dito sa Wellington noong 1993. So itinayo siya taong 1993 and then ginamit ng mga tao dito hanggang sa binago nila, and there will be more wind turbines malapit dito. Yun ang Wellington Wind Turbine. So ayun, kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang yung hugot travel bay na may puso, and this is episode 6 of Biyahe with me and New Zealand. So ayun mga Juan, tatapusin ko na tong vlog natin. It's just a short vlog. Pinicture lang natin ang Wellington Wind Turbine. So ayun, kita-kits on our next video. I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang yung hugot travel bay na may puso, and see you on our next vlog. Bye-bye! God is in control. Anong kinalaman ng quote na to for today's video? Looking at the wind turbine, iba yung calmness na dulot ng lugar na to. And just like that, iba yung peace of mind kapag buo mo na ibibigay kay God yung tiwala mo. Kontrolado niya ang hangin ng buhay natin. Alam mo na masusunod man yung plano mo o hindi, kampante ka kasi nasa tamang desisyon ka dahil ginagabayan ka niya. Be confident in God's plan for you. He knows what's right for you. God's timing is always perfect. Kaya magpatuloy ka lang. Darating din yung time mo. Maikli lang buhay. Piliin mong maging masaya. Let your light shine so bright that others can find their way out of the darkness.